blessing that allow us to gather here today in good health. And let's not forget to send our prayer and salutation to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the best role model for humanity. I would like to extend my deep gratitude to our respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, I want to talk about something vital for our future, the power of education. Education is not just about learning facts in the classroom. It's a journey of discovery, a lifelong commitment to growth. It equips us with knowledge, critical thinking, and the ability to make a positive impact on the world. As students, we have a great opportunity to learn, to ask questions, and to build our potential. Think about it in English, for example. Connect us to the world and open doors to endless information and opportunities. Without education, it's hard to improve ourselves and contribute to our nation's progress. So, let's embrace this chance to learn. Let's be curious, stay disciplined, and use our education wisely. Let's be a gem of change, ready to face the future. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.